Oh, my favorite TV show growing up, definitely Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Most of my days. Hey, L'Union Suite, I'm the Whiskey Chick, and today I'm gonna share some of my faves, my whole closet. Whiskey's my favorite word. My favorite class in school was math. It's weird, it's a little weird, but I've always just liked numbers and stuff like that, so math. So my favorite childhood friend, I would say Samantha. She's been my best friend since the 6th grade. I don't know, it's not a favorite thing, it's just, she's just there. Oh, my favorite TV show growing up, definitely Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Most of my days. Haitian food. This is a little hard because I like multiple things, so you have to be specific. Like my favorite Haitian food is definitely lalo or legume on white rice. No sauce bar, no pickles. Do not revoke my Haitian card, okay? My favorite alcoholic drink is definitely whiskey. Do not send me Henny at the DJ booth. Whiskey, thank you. Ooh, my favorite celebrity crush. I would go with The Rock, but it's a few others that I can't think of right now. The Rock. Oh, y'all judging me. Wow, they're judging me. I like the.
She like that big and tall and rough.
What she said. My favorite athlete. I mean, I don't watch sports to watch sports. I guess LeBron. Dwayne Wade, probably Dwayne Wade. Wade County. My favorite female artist is definitely Beyonce. Yeah. My favorite male artist, so I'm gonna add an S to that. So I got Jay-Z, I got Nipsey Hussle, I got J. Cole. I don't like to follow rules, y'all, so I got 3, okay? That's my favorite compa song. That's my favorite compa song. My go-to place for a first date is, I like food, so take me somewhere with like lobster mac and cheese and a good drink. And yeah. My favorite thing on a man is his shoulders, like right here. And in his hands. I love when a guy grooms himself, all that. The favorite thing a guy can do to make me smile is a few things, like send me food if I say I'm hungry, or like pick up something that you know that I like my favorite. You're somewhere and you see my favorite chocolate, you get my favorite chocolate, or a favorite thing, or you see an elephant, you think of me, you grab, like stuff like that. My favorite apology gift to give someone would, I mean, I've never necessarily, I don't think I've ever given somebody a gift for apologizing. So I guess I would make food or something like that. Yeah. My favorite place to visit in the world, probably, like that I've been to, Haiti was amazing, of course. Favorite place that I want to go to maybe is Tanzania in Africa. That's where I want to go. Or Thailand, or South Africa. My favorite thing to do alone, usually when I'm alone, I'm just answering emails. Favorite thing to do. I don't watch much TV. I'll have Netflix running maybe, watching Netflix, I guess. My favorite thing about my job, which is DJing, is definitely connecting with people. Like if I'm playing a song and I can see your reaction in the crowd, that means that we connected in some way because you feel the vibes that I felt by playing the song, you know? So definitely that, and you know, the regular job things. My favorite go-to when I'm stressed is I'll probably take a nap or I'll eat ice cream. That's it. My favorite age? Listen, probably now. I've learned so much. My favorite age is probably like right now. I'm not telling you my age. But right now I've learned so much and I feel like all of the time accumulated made me the person that I am today, which I can say that it's my best person to date. My favorite place to go in Haiti is, I would say my family's house, or Decameron was really nice as well. My favorite non-related, music-related job would be entrepreneurship and marketing, which I already do. My favorite between texting and talking, it depends for what. Like if you're my dude and we're like dating, I would rather you call me. But if it's for something quick, like you could text. I'm not picky. My favorite item in my closet, probably my whole closet. That's my answer, my whole closet. My favorite thing that I never leave the house without would definitely be my phone. It's not a favorite, but it's a thing that it's necessary. And my watch, like any watch. I feel naked without a watch. My favorite part of the day, I would say morning, which is unusual for a DJ, but I'm a morning person. I could have had a gig and I've got home at 4 or 5 a.m., I'll still be up by like 7:30 a.m. I cannot sleep in. Fuck is my favorite word, but please bleep it out because my mother is gonna watch this. I'm sorry, Mom. That is my favorite word. Otherwise, it's probably like whiskey. Whiskey's my favorite word. Sorry, family. My favorite kind of TV shows are probably comedies. You can't pay me to watch a scary movie. Like you cannot pay me to sit there and watch a scary movie or a scary something. But definitely either comedy or like cartel drug related. Okay, 5 favorites I cannot live without would have to be my family, God, music, potentially my laptop, and another thing would be music. I think I said that already. Or food. Top 5 Haitian bands. All right. We got Zin. Then we got Kalimi. Don't at me. Then we got Then we got, is it like old school too? Would be, I like T-Vice. Damn, I'm drawing a blank. If I had my phone, I would know which, I'm thinking of a song and I can't think of the band, but I want to say potentially Tabu Combo is what I'm thinking about. The 5th one, I'm gonna go with that old school Haitian female band that I cannot think of their names, but they sing the alphabet song and Zami and I can't think of the name with that band.
I can't think of the name. They're like
The only female. I love them, yes. Top 5 song on my playlist right now. I got Laid Up, Got Me Thinking, Babe. I got that Chris Brown song. Then I have my phone. I have that song. I have Double Parked by My Classic. Then I have Racks in the Middle by Nipsey Hussle. A fifth song is I have Conscience, Slow Me Time. It's just my song. I just love that song. Slow Me Time, Slow Me Time. And then I have, shoot. I can't think of the fifth one. If I had my phone, I would be able to tell you the fifth one. It's a few. I like my gigs a lot. I'll give you two. That's cool. She's not gonna stop me, y'all. Anyway, I have Afro Beach, Miami, which was supposed to be a 4th of July party that was coming up again. That was my favorite one because the way I was approached about it, I didn't know who was on the bill. It was literally like, "Are you available this date?" I said yes. He was like, "Okay." And then I saw a flyer drop, and I was with some of my favorite producers, some of my favorite DJs. And then this other one, it was a block party in Montreal that I did last year. That one was unexpected as well because I flew out to support Niska and Kanye. I flew out to support Kanye in an event, and then because I'm her DJ, they ended up putting me on the bill, which I DJ'd for her and I had a set, so yeah. My favorite streaming platform, typically I'll go for Apple Music or Tidal, and YouTube if I want to watch videos. That's it. One of my favorite DJs is, for his techniques, is of course Jazzy Jeff. And versatility, I want to say, I'm gonna give you a Haitian DJ. I want to say DJ Stacks because he's so versatile in anything that he does. My number one rule in life is if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Therefore, have a plan, even if it's just something little written down, and go for it. It may seem like I don't plan my stuff because I just go for it, but before I drop anything, it's a thought that's been there for potentially days and months, and then I just plan it out, and then I go for it, and I'm like, okay, this, that. But if you fail to plan, you plan to fail.